U.S. Border Patrol agents, along with Homeland Security Investigations, HSI El Paso, have uncovered a sophisticated smuggling tunnel connecting El Paso, Texas, to Ciudad Juarez, Mexico, in what officials are calling a historic discovery. A mega tunnel under the U.S. Mexico border for smuggling people across was promoted to people on the social media platform TikTok. This discovery has reignited discussions on the use of social media platforms in promoting illegal activities. Platforms like TikTok are increasingly scrutinized for their role in enabling such content to spread rapidly, reaching vulnerable individuals seeking dangerous alternatives. What motivates these individuals to risk their lives, trusting promises made in short clips? The psychological manipulation and marketing strategies of smugglers play a pivotal role in persuading potential migrants to undertake perilous journeys through such tunnels. The tunnel, discovered on Friday, is designed for human trafficking and measures approximately 4 feet wide and 6 feet tall. It is equipped with wooden beams for structural integrity, electrical wiring, and a ventilation system, showcasing the level of sophistication involved in its construction. Officials estimate that the tunnel was built within the last year and stretches from beneath the U.S. Mexico border directly into the Boone Street storm drain in south central El Paso. The timeline of the tunnel's construction raises important questions about oversight and border security. How could such an extensive project go unnoticed for so long, despite its proximity to highly monitored areas? This revelation highlights the need for more advanced surveillance technologies, like ground-penetrating radar and real-time monitoring systems, to detect such activities before they are operational. The collaboration between U.S. and Mexican authorities will be crucial in identifying and addressing similar threats in the future. The tunnel was 40 meters long and appears to have been built by hand with a very basic ventilation system. It was discovered earlier this week when people were seen climbing into a storm drain in Juarez, Mexico. After the initial sightings, Customs and Border Protection officials, Mexican law enforcement, the Texas Department of Safety, El Paso Police Department, Homeland Security Investigations, and the FBI joined in an operation to shut it down. They discovered a metal plate covering the entrance and that the tunnel interior was around 6 feet tall and 4 feet wide, giving potential drug runners ample space to transport product. The tunnel was equipped with a dedicated lighting and was held up with wooden struts. The level of detail in the tunnel's construction speaks volumes about the resources and expertise available to criminal organizations. From its dimensions to the electrical wiring and ventilation system, every feature was designed with human trafficking efficiency in mind. This discovery reveals the extent of planning and execution involved, shedding light on how these organizations adapt and evolve their methods to bypass stricter border security measures. What can this teach us about their operational capabilities? This incident also underscores the growing reliance of smugglers on technology and digital communication to expand their networks. By leveraging platforms with global reach, they target specific audiences with promises of safe and quick transit. These tactics are a wake-up call for governments and tech companies alike to strengthen digital monitoring and content regulation, ensuring that illegal activities are flagged and removed before causing harm. Could more proactive action by these platforms prevent such misuse? FBI Special Agent in Charge John Morales said in a statement that discovery of the tunnel would disrupt transnational criminal organizations working between the U.S. and Mexico. He said, "The United States Border Patrol's discovery of this tunnel and the subsequent disruption of transnational criminal organizations utilizing it underscores the vital importance of coordination and collaboration among our law enforcement agencies. This successful binational operation exemplifies the strong partnerships between agencies in El Paso and Ciudad Juarez, working together to secure our shared border and protect our communities. These partnerships are critical in ensuring the safety and security of our communities and our nation as a whole." The FBI remains steadfast in its commitment to working with our partners along the border to combat illegal criminal activity and address national security threats, and will continue to support the ongoing investigation into this tunnel. El Paso sector. Chief Patrol Agent Anthony Scott Good said border agents were relentless in surveying El Paso in search for the tunnel, adding the joint operation would investigate the illicit activities of the tunnel's users. He said, "We are proud of the agents who discovered this smuggling infrastructure used by transnational criminal organizations. Our agents are relentless in searching and surveying every square mile of the El Paso sector. With our partners, we are committed to investigating these illicit activities and bringing all perpetrators to justice. Those who endanger lives in these hazardous environments and circumvent the legal pathways to entering the United States." The tunnel's discovery underscores ongoing efforts to combat illegal activities that threaten border security and comes just days before the inauguration of U.S. President-elect Donald Trump, who prioritized policies against immigration during his electoral campaign.
On my first day back in the Oval Office, I will sign a historic slate of executive orders to close our border to illegal aliens and stop the invasion of our country. And on that same day, we will begin the largest deportation operation in American history, larger even than that of President Dwight D. Eisenhower. And as part of Operation Aurora, you know all about Aurora, how horrible that's been. Every single foreign gang and illegal alien member, all of this criminal network operating on American soil will be dismantled, deported, and destroyed.
The discovery of the tunnel is more than just a physical revelation. It's a testament to the resilience of law enforcement agencies in combating sophisticated criminal enterprises. This operation also highlights the importance of binational cooperation in addressing shared challenges. With the increasing ingenuity of criminal networks, maintaining strong alliances across borders will be critical. Your perspective matters. With criminal organizations becoming more resourceful, what lessons can this discovery teach us about fortifying border security? How might this discovery and the challenges it represents shape the policies of leaders like Donald Trump, who have made border security a cornerstone of their agenda? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates on similar stories. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your voice matters in these discussions. See you next time.